A lantern flickers but won't stay lit. Every shadow's got a name on it. Shadows in the dust, they know my face. They don't forget, they don't erase. They crawl, they climb, they take, they rust. There's no escaping shadows in the dust. By a memory's claws, the kind that scratches but never withdraws. The wind hums low, the vultures stare. Secrets buried but they're still there. Every step I take they follow close, whispering things only the dead would know. Shadows in the dust, they know my face, they don't forget, they don't erase. They climb, they climb, they take, they rust. There's no escaping shadows in the dust. They call me sinner, call me saint, say I'm something that I ain't. Underneath the moon's cruel glow, I'm the man they'll never know. Dust on my boots, blood in my veins. Every mile I walk it still feels the same. The wind it howls but it don't call my name. Shadows stretch long across the dirt, whisper eyes from where the wounds still hurt. I keep moving though I'm dragging this curse. Every promise I made burned down to dust. The stars they watch but they never trust. Cold steel in my hand, ghosts on my back. Every step forward feels like an attack, but I'll keep walking till the sky turns black. The desert knows my sin, but it won't let me in. goes under my head. Secrets rattling like a snake in a sack. You can't outrun what pulls you back. There goes under my head. The road don't care, the road don't lie. I made a deal with a ghost in the sand. He said the devil's got soft hands. Soft hands like velvet rope tied around my fading hope. Howls in the midnight heat. I hear the creak of my own defeat. The hat's brim low, but it don't hide the sins I wear stitched inside. Footsteps echo through the empty street. Dust kicks up where shadows meet. A cigarette burn down to the bone. The night hums low and I'm alone. When silence becomes a friend, it don't ask why, it don't pretend. It knows my scars, it knows my sins. When silence becomes a friend. Whiskey glass, half full of regret. A jukebox plays, but I can't forget. The walls are thick with stories untold. This heart is weary, this soul is cold, but the moon still stares, and the stars don't care. When silence becomes a friend, it don't ask why, it don't pretend. It knows my scars, it knows my sins. When silence becomes a friend. crisscross where the dark won't bend. Truth is a mirror with a crack at the end. I speak to ghosts that don't reply. Silence laughs, and I know why. Dust kicks the air as the moonlight falls. A coyote howls the night across. Five bulls walking, but one man stands. His shadow's heavy, his story demands. Whispers rise, shadows bend the road, no secret it won't defend. On a broken road, carrying sins untold. Every step the gravel moans, carving truth in skin and bone. Five drinks deep in a smoky haze, a past that's burned, a soul ablaze. He counts his steps but loses track. The night is thick, there's no way back. Whisper truths under his breath, a deal with darkness, a dance with death. The boots keep marching, they won't slow. Five souls haunting, but he'll never show. On a broken road, carrying sins untold. Every step the gravel moans, carving truths in skin and bones.